This is KF5HEL again, talking about dogparkSDR and the FLEX-6400 on macOS. If you watched my previous video, you saw that I talked about profiles and how they can be set up to really make operating your radio very, very easy. In this video, I want to talk about keyboard shortcuts and how to use them to bring up your profile so that you can get it even quicker to your operating state for your radio. I'm going to start by going to the Apple menu. I'm going to go to System Preferences. I'll select Keyboard Shortcuts, and now I'm in the Shortcuts Functionality tab. This is where you can set up keyboard shortcuts for just about anything. Select App Shortcuts. Click the plus sign. This is where you set up application shortcuts for specific apps. I'm going to set up some shortcuts for dogparkSDR. This is the menu title. This is where you type in the path to the menu for the shortcut that you want, and this field will let you set the actual shortcut itself. So let's take a look at dogparkSDR and how we want to go about doing this. It turns out that there's a shortcuts menu already under dogparkSDR that lets you get quick access to common operations. And you'll notice here this global menu, which represents all of my global profiles. 10, 20, 40, and 80 meters are the ones that I created. I want to make quick keyboard shortcuts for these. So notice the path, shortcuts, global, 10, 20, 40, or 80 meters. I'll come back to the System Preferences, and I'll create my first shortcut. I type in the name of the menu, the top level menu, shortcuts. Then I'll use a dash greater than to signify that I'm going to the next level, which was global. And then I'll create one for 10 meters. Again, shortcuts, global, 10 meters, shortcuts, global, 10 meters. I'll click here, and for 10 meters, I'm going to use Command 1 as my shortcut. I just typed it on the keyboard, it shows up, I click Add. Now we have our first shortcut. And if I want to change it, I can double click it here, change the name, if need be, or the shortcut, but I'm not going to do that. I will add another shortcut, however, for 20 meters, Command 2, 40 meters, Command 4, and finally 80 meters, Command 8. Alright, I have my 4 shortcuts up. I'll close this window, get back to dogparkSDR. I'll bring up the Preferences window just so you can see what the currently selected profile is. It's 10 meters. Now if I want to go to 20, I could obviously select 20 here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit the Command key and select Command 2, and there we go. Command 4, Command 8. And this is how you can use keyboard shortcuts to quickly get to a specific profile using dogparkSDR and the FLEX-6400.